Welcome to Using Tables in Confluence. In this video, you'll learn how to add a table to a Confluence page. First, with your page in edit mode, click on the page where you want your table. Next, go to the Table button and click on Table. You'll see an image of a table appear. The blue highlighted cell tells you how many cells and rows you'll have created. In this case, I see a 1 by 1. I'd like my table to be larger, so I'll take my mouse without clicking and I'll drag it through the table. If I continue to move my mouse, the table will get larger. The largest table I can set by default is a 15 column by 20 row table. For this example, I'm going to set up a 3 column by 3 row table. What you'll see next appear are the table tools. It'll appear right below the text tools. With my table created, I can go ahead and start creating content. Once I've added some content to my table, I can now add additional rows or columns. So for example, I want to add a column between step 2 and step 4. If I click on step 2, I can go to the Add Column area right here and insert a column after step 2. And I can add content. If I want to add a row after the second row of the table, I'll put my cursor somewhere in the second row and I'll click Insert Row After. And that'll give me a brand new row. If I want to merge cells in my table, what I can do is select the cells I want by clicking in this first cell and dragging my mouse to highlight all the cells. I can now click Merge Table Cells. I can always unmerge the table cells by splitting them. However, notice my data, which came together when I merged a cell, is now together. I'll need to change that. If I decide I no longer need the table, I can click on the Remove Table button to remove the table from my page. Once I've created my table and entered my data, I'll click the Save button to save my page with the table. This has been Using Tables in Confluence.